You are on cross-examination.
The permission of the Honorable Senate
You
President.
know, that is the proper thing to do. If you want to, you are confronting this witness by cross-examination without the necessary basis.
Thank you, Mr. President. May we approach the witness, Mr. President?
Please.
No, you may be violating the rule that was read by. He was citing the rule.
The Senate President just said that we are allowed.
No, you can approach, but there was no statement that you can. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
The prosecution approach the witness.
Mr. Witness, showing to you Exhibit 151. There is an entry here. Supposed entries where it states sworn statement of honor. Now, below, it says here, will you please read what it says there?
Sworn statement of honor. Under the provision of Republic Act 7160, I hereby certify that the current and fair market value of the foregoing described property of which I am the owner administrator is to the best of my knowledge and belief as follows.
Thank you. Is there any signature in this requirement of entry to be sworn to by the owner?
Admitted, there is none, Your Honor.
The document will speak
Ilan ito?
for itself if there is a signature or there is not. So,
May you review all the other exhibits of tax declarations that you have testified to here before the Honorable Senate and inform us if there is any signed declaration made by the owner. I'll refer you to 152. Pakitingnan mo tax. Unless the defense will admit that there are no signatures of the
May we know the question, Your Honor? Are there also
the other tax declarations, Justice?
The question.
If
Your
the
question.
if the Chief Justice signed the declaration.
Tingnan mo. Declaration. May we clarify, Your Honor? Declaration with respect to what property? Because there are three properties involved here, Your Honor.
156.
Yeah, but what property is that? Anong property?
This is the makibasa anong property.
This is the McKinley Hill property, Your Honor.
At the back portion, is there any signature made by the declarant owner?
Sandun yun. Wala.
There is none, Your Honor.
all right, there's none.
156.
Next.
Mega World may-ari.
157. Can you also look at the rear portion and inform the Honorable Court if there is any signature of the declarant owner of the property?
There's no signature, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. President.
You know, what is the materiality of that?
Yeah.
The Article 2 deals with, you are presenting all of these documents under Article 2. The Article 2 of the Articles of Impeachment deals with the inclusion, disclosure, and non-inclusion of assets. Isn't it?
That's correct, Your Honor.
If all of those assets were included in the SAL, and so the
complaint holds no water.
there's compliance with the required with Article 2. Now you must show that the asset is not included, then we will allow.
May I say something, Your Honor?
Oh, go ahead.
The SALN requires not only filing, but also that you file accurate entries in the SALN, and we are directly questioning the entries for their truthfulness and accuracy.
Then you produce that. You produce that. It is already established. The values are established in the declaration. Now you want to challenge the entries in this declaration, produce the evidence to controverted.
We already did, Your Honor.
Where
because-
is it?
Because we have presented the various deeds of absolute sale covering these properties.
Then let those stay in the record. Make your summation at the proper time.
Correct, Your Honor.
You are arguing about values here. We will never end this hearing if that is your procedure. So ordered. Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, as part of your functions as City Assessor of Taguig, and as part of your functions in issuing tax declarations, are you also informed about the deeds of absolute sale involving the properties under your jurisdiction?
Yes, Your Honor. It is part of the requirements before transactions been made.
All right. So, for the Bellagio, you would have known, as part of your functions as City Assessor, I'm referring to Exhibit Quadruple A, Your Honor, that the purchase price of the Bellagio is 14,510,225
That is per deed of sale.
per deed of sale, Your
All
Honor.
right.
Whereas, the value indicated in your tax declaration, assessed value of 3,928,320 and market value of only 6,547,200. Will you confirm, Mr. Witness, that the value indicated in your tax declaration is substantially lower than the acquisition cost of this Bellagio property?
Admitted, Your Honor.
Yes.
The documents speak for
the
themselves.
best evidence will be.
Is that the case, Your Honor,
It's
also
already
for...
admitted by the prosecutor, by the defense.
Thank you, Justice. But may I ask you, please, if that admission also holds true for the property at Bonifacio Ridge, Spanish Bay Tower, and also the McKinley Hill property?
There is no definite statement, Your Honor, that we can either deny or affirm. May we be informed, Your Honor?
Well, you go over
Then
one.
may I continue, Your Honor?
Yeah, go ahead.
For Bonifacio Ridge, Mr. Assessor, per contract dated October 14, 2005, the selling price is 9,159,940, whereas in the tax declaration that you issued, the market value is merely 2,369,980 and the assessed value of 1,421,990. Will you confirm, Mr. Witness, that the actual price, the selling price or the acquisition cost of this property is more than 3 times greater than the market value reflected in your tax declaration?
If Your Honor, please, before the witness answer, may we be clarified as to the purpose of the question, Your Honor?
Please
Because-
clarify it.
Oh.
May I explain, Your Honor?
Yeah.
I thought it was obvious, Your Honor, that in the SALN, the Chief Justice used values reflected in the tax declaration. We are proving right now that the acquisition cost, the actual value, or the current fair market value at the time of acquisition of these properties is far, far greater than that indicated in the SALN.
I understand that, Counsel. The SALN of the Chief Justice is an official document submitted by him, okay? And it reflects there the values that he attached to the properties that he declared in that SALN. Now, the tendency of your questioning is that those values do not show the real acquisition cost. I agree with you. That's why you have to introduce evidence to contradict those values to prove the true value of acquiring those properties by the declarant of that SALN. And that is what you have already done that.
We
said.
have already done
so
that,
what
Your
is the point in belaboring the issue with this witness?